The Temperance card is about hope, joy, and measured optimism. The person on the picture has wings, which symbolize elevation, and the glow around their head symbolizes clairvoyance. The two cups represent rationality on the one hand and intuition on the other. The water effortlessly flowing from one to the other means that the person has succeeded in reaching the right balance between the two, allowing their third eye to open to higher levels of spiritual wisdom. After the disruptions brought by the Death card before it, the Temperance upright is an invitation to calmly embrace a new life without fear. If you've been going through a hard time, now is the time to heal and find a new sense of balance in your life. This card is a good omen for a brighter future. It takes you on a path towards purpose. It's an invitation to arrange whatever you have in mind, but with patience. Progress is guaranteed, but at a slow pace. It can announce an upcoming positive trip, especially if it's for fun like going abroad on a vacation, or for exploration and enlightenment. If that's not possible, one should find another way to broaden their horizons, like taking courses, reading, acquiring knowledge, opening oneself to other cultures. Temperance upright is also a good omen for anything related to studies, teaching, justice, and the law. It's auspicious for studying, succeeding in exams or competitions. For those who just graduated, it announces the time for you to apply what you've learned to practical life. In love, this card favors communication, compromise, and harmonious union. If the person has been unable or unwilling to settle down, this card upright predicts an opportunity for a stable long-term union. It's very good for engagement and commitment. Singles can meet someone during trips or in an academic setting, or anywhere that has to do with foreign cultures or with religion. At work, it can predict a new opportunity abroad. It's great if you're thinking of continuing or going back to school, learning a new language, broadening your horizons in any way. Spiritual paths are also favored. In astrology, Temperance is associated with Sagittarius. Its timing is usually in the long term, at a slow but regular pace. Health-wise, it is a sign of moderation in diet, a well-balanced lifestyle, and a serene state of mind. Reversed, the Temperance card is all about unhealthy excess. It can indicate psychic or emotional imbalance and a general sense of unease. It warns against any types of extremes, be it in beliefs or behaviors. It calls for moderation in thoughts, perspectives, and actions. This is not a good omen for trips, so careful if you see this before traveling. It usually shows that the person is either being overly negative or facing a difficult time. Find the silver lining when possible and have patience. It can predict financial troubles, usually due to excessive expenses. At work, it warns against laziness and a tendency to do the bare minimum. Or it means that the person is stuck in a meaningless job or a soul-sucking environment that is slowly killing the joy within them, and they need to find their life purpose. Maybe they're meant to teach or share knowledge with others through social media, or switch to a career related to foreign cultures and are traveling. Start planning and take baby steps. Most people who draw the Temperance reversed have trouble projecting in the future, so setting goals and clear objectives would be the first step. Build a vision board, pick a lane, and patiently work towards a brighter future. Avoid pessimism and negativity. This card reversed also shows up when people are demoralized, in which case surround yourself with positive, supportive people who help you achieve your goals and get away from the naysayers. In love, it shows unstable relationships and or indulging too much in lust. For singles, careful who you meet, as they will probably have no long-term vision for their own life, nor for the relationship. Either you or your partner is not serious about this. Temperance, reversed, almost always talks about a necessity to heal old wounds. Whether you are aware of it or not, you need healing of some past trauma before you can achieve success in love. And if you're unable to figure it out on your own, do not hesitate to get help, like counseling or energy healing. Or teach yourself through self-help books, videos, and courses. Health-wise, it can indicate diseases caused by excess, especially indulging too much in rich food, sugar, or alcohol, which causes weight gain and/or liver issues. You need to balance out your diet and overcome laziness to exercise in a moderate fashion.